Welcome to the show. Bafethu, by now you know me. Kama Sipo Hatebe. Yes, it is my name. Guys, welcome to the show. This is Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show. Bafethu, thank you so much once again for the support that you've been showing us, for the love that you've been showing us. We really like to take this opportunity before Siapambi Luguti Bafethu, thank you. A million thank you to you guys. Million thank yous to you. Today Bafethu mphethe Sister Lam. Sister Lam uMahlatsi usivakashele uzositshela kabanzi ngestory sakhe that she has for us. So please don't go anywhere. Just stay tuned where you are. We know that you love this show. You love this show. We know it and we love you. And we really thank you. Sister Gunjan?
Yeah,
all right, Scott?
Yeah.
No, that's good. You are here in the biggest show in this land. Usiphatheleni today?
Story just simnandi.
Seriously, I like that. I like this girl. Already I like this girl. Mahlatsi, ngicela usikanje just a short introduction ukuthi ubani, khule kanjani, ukhula kuphi. Just tell us who you are.
Igama ngoMahlatsi sibonga kaMfukeng.
Okay.
Ngikhulele Limpopo eDenalthini. Ngikhuliswe ugogo, umama marabi kakhona most of the time being nogogo.
Okay.
Because mama obvious bekasebenza, yabo, mama tokhonyana. So ngathi mangithi grade 7 bangitransferela la eGauteng, ngahlala noSisi because bengijax umntana ophaphayo.
Okay.
Yeah. So kwaba khona ilanga ukuthi ngalahleka ngimncane yabo. Indaba zokuthi bengikhapha abangani ngalahleka umama wabona ukuthi ngcono ngimhambisa eGauteng kusisi wakhe ngoba usisi wami ngangimsaba kakhulu umdlula umama mphela kangichiki yabo umama nje alright akakwazi ukungithethisa.
Really?
So wangitransferela la eGauteng so ngihlala nosisi wami la eGauteng na 19 years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lo sis lo msaba kakhulu hlala naye.
Ngihlala naye.
Okay. I-relationship yakho naye njani?
Yo, ekuqaleni like bengimsaba ukuthi like to the point ukuthi ngangisaba ukukhuluma naye ngayonke into. Yabo? Mara ukukhula manje njengoba sengikhula ngiyaxoxa naye everything. Noma kwenzakala something efike ngimtshele yo girl kwenzakala into esona so. It's right manje.
Senigrand.
Yeah.
This is very interesting. What is it lebo isaba kangaka ngosisi wakho?
Yabona umuntu street usaba nokumtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuya shop. Ngicela into so, you understand?
Okay.
But then kumama msifo. Unosisi omdala kulandele usisi wami kulandele ubhuti wami bese kulandela mina yimila spawn.
Uyila spawn.
Yeah. So ubhuti yena kusumuntu ukuthi bengihlala naye kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah. Maka naye bengimsaba. Bonke nje ngiyabasaba but then lo bengimsaba kakhulu.
Okay.
Mara uyithi sengimpiferayo kunalo wokuqala. I prefer yena kakhulu.
Lo msaba.
Yeah.
Is it? Wow, that's good. Wow, siyabonga. Umsebenzi omuhle wenze ngokuba strict ne? That's what you said. Okay. Strictness does work, guys. Trust me, I know it. I'm from the same situation. All right, Mahlatsi, usivakashele sisi wami. Okay, what do you have for us today? Guys, sorry about that. Before we go any further, please do subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. Interact with us and let us know what do you think of the show. What do you think of our... Already, I'm sure you must be thinking something I love already. So please let me know what you think about it. Okay, do that. Sanderson, speak to me.
Okay. Shukuthi nengwakusemini. Okay, sharp. Ekhaya bekubusy, yabo. Bhuti wami umuntu okuthi uyakha, ne? Bhuti wami ayakha loku shukuthi kwakhona umkhukhu omoshekile so bekalungisa lo mkhukhu lo.
Okay.
Okay, sharp. Mina ngikhona lo mngani wami like ngimthatha njengosisi wami. Yeah. Si close nalo muntu lo ya. Okay, sharp afike vele bekungabo ma2. Makafika vele uyathola vele ukuthi hayi vele nami ngibusy ngizingcolele. Okay, Chomi sami, Chomi siyaphi ephathini. Okay, ephathini Chomi. Mina vele invite vele ngiyaya. Yeah. As long as yonke into engifunayo izobe ikhona la angina flop. Okay, sharp ngithi vele ngoba ngithatha njengosister lami angina flop yabo. Ngitshela uma oledi, okay mama, ngiyendaweni eso, yabo. Mara sizobuya. Mangibuya angeke ngilalele endlini. Ngizolala laphi? Khabo mngani, yabo. Umama vele angabi nenkinga ngenxa yokuthini nomngani nokulala ekhaya yabo. Athi hayi okay, angina stress. Mama mbeka la eGauteng. Angihlala nomama la eGauteng. Mama mhlala emakhaya unokuza every month. So makeze nobhuti usukeze naye ngokuthini usuke kunomsebenzi ukuthi azowakha or ini. And makungekho nje kanjalo akuyethi bhuti wami. Hayi okay sharp. Ubhuti ngamtsheli vele ubhuti obvious uzowala. Umncane uyapi? Hayi ngamtsheli ngabandana ba. Ngixoxa impahla zami vele ngizozifaka ngihambe. Masifika khaba umngani kugeza kuthiweni umngani kahle umuntu beka invite umngani. Umngani invite mina. You understand? Okay sharp bathi kufakiwe in all white. Okay. Sifaki all white vele mase siba ma6 vele inhlaba ya. yazi musiyazilungisa sifake inkophe yonke into right nje hayi masihamba vele sifike vele phathini okay khona abantu engingabazi obvious umngane uyabaza angintroduce obvious bathanda ivibe yami ngixoxe kube ngathi kuqala ngibazi abantu laba but then khani ngibazi manje okay ngathi ngina stress yonke into ibe right obvious man uyazi ukuthi mazi siboma 11 iphathi mayiphela kumele kube khona la iphela khona yabo kube indaba yokuthini khona enye indawo la ePlagisi ibizwa ngeElehigh yeah kaNtsele
okay
kuthiwe ngiyakuyiwa kaNtsele hayi vele asina stress kuyiwa kaNtsele okay sharp umngane sho ukuthi kube nguye umuntu organize indaba ze-taxi ukuthi hamba ngayiphi taxi wara asimbuzi futhi because why mele simbuza sisibona izathu wanhlalo hayi okay sharp sigibele taxi fike vena ngempela kuhanje kuyiwe kaNtsele hayi kuprove like bekumnandi da yabo kumnandi okay sharp sithi ngabo mal 1 kubuye vele so makubuyiwa kanjalo kube khona like igroup esalayo yabo khona enye tavern kanje Cinderella kaSlam akho kude nakithi lapho you understand so mina bengengikwazi ukuthana le group leyo because angizanga nayo first of all and like mina ngizona abantu nomngane shothi mina nale ngiyehlela umngane ayehla khona or else umngane yena ubeka mina kithi kumele kube khona eyi1 la ayi bahlike vele ayi mabahlika ngabe nendaba vele angizidakole phela taxi yaduma nje anga stress ngithi mchomi ngala usalungihlisa kuphi mina eBora Gate yabo eBora uchomi hleli phambili ngizongihlisa eBora Gate sesele yimi uchomi umfana odrivayo nababhuda abawu2 lapha emotweni hayi okay sharp hayi umngani athula kangiphenduli manje ngizongihlisa eBora Gate okay sharp uthulile umngani vele ngithi maybe akangizwe uchomi maybe sound yarasa kakhulu hayi hamba imoto indlule eBora Gate lokuqala hayi ngithule indlule eBora Gate yesi2 hayibo kuyiwapi ke manje shukuthi khona la indlela iyehlela khona kanje yabo mayehlela le ndlela le kune taxi rank e2 mina hlala extension 1 ne i-taxi ukuthi yehle kuphi ifike ime e2 taxi rank yase2 mayifika ima lapho okay sharp batheni silenda yehla mangehla okay ngiyayehla na mangehla ngiyasho ukuthi chomu uyayehla phela phambili ngehla nabo gaya bawu2 okay sharp ngitakiwe ne but then sengiqala ukubasoba ngiyabona udabi basikathi ke manje okay sharp bathini ngibuza ukuthi chomi motivalwe moti hambi hayibo okay la bafana vele ngiyabazi ne but then akusibantu ukuthi ngibajwayele hello right sharp okay sharp phela awusumngani wami like asazani nanaye baziwa ubani uchomi you understand okay bathini ayi silenda sokukhapha ntwana sithembe yabo hayi okay sharp ungabathembi futhi maybe babuthi bakhona banabo ma30 bayabona hayi okay sami shoot khona la uhamba kune cave nje kancane ayisikeve masikeva kanjalo kuthiweni esilenda thina sisalanda amabhiya yabo asingene ijaki shoot ngathi khona umfana walapho or ubani walapha ngazi nje bahlobana kanjani lapha ya but then bathi balanda amabhiya lapha yabo yibe lento ukuthi guys hambani mina ngizongithola ngaphandle yabona but intwana khoseke ngithi vayani yabo okay sharp bangene vele ayi ngime 30 minutes abantu abachamuke ngiyasaba ungena ne ngime chamuke nje umunye ubhuti muhlele yabhuti ufake nje nama chain yabona amabhuti abasestyle muhle vele yabhuti ayi athuka isislenda ngithi ngisharp wena ngisharp athumeleni ebusuku akukho save kayi yabo ngithi hayi mina bayabafana kayi wena uhlala va angibonisa athi lapha ya but then la ngibonisa khona like angiboni nix mina ngizibonela amahlathi but then ngokuthini yazi ake ngilonge ngibuza ukuthi kuphi sebusuku yabona ayingithulele ngithi athi kimi uhlala laphi ngithi nahlala extension 1 athi yo nami bangithume extension 1 yabo ngithini okay asimele labo guy laba yabo singakhuphuka sonke akuna flop athi okay sime 30 minutes hayibo so lo simile okay sharp abaqhamuki yabo ngithi athi ngimi yabo ukuthi labantu bamele silenda baveli ngcono sivaye yabo ngibe nanto ukuthi ayivele ngiyasaba kuhamba ngi1 angina chance I have to ukuthi ngihambe nabo nangempela ngihambe naye lo mfana ayisilokhu sihamba sixoxe ugrand kama lakho ubani mina kahle igama lami straight mahlathi makabantu abaningi bangazi it depend nakhona ukuthi ubani ngoba sometimes ngupalisa umbali unhlanhla wonke nje lamagama yabo it depend ukuthi ubani yabo
hayibo
so angibuzi igama lami vele ngithi okay sharp igama lami mina ngunhlanhla yabo athi unhlanhla ngithi ya athi ngicongama number yakho yabo Hawu ukhipha like ifoni yabona le phone le angiyazi gama bani lawa kudala mani le ngathi ivulwa bolt so uyayibona
Okay.
Yeah, the
Uma
phone
Motorola type of
yeah mina kudala bengekho mara ngiyayibona ukuthi le phone yakudala mara bengekho kudala mara ngiyayibona okay sharp ngambuzi like more detail athi ngiwabizi ngithini okay ifoni nginayo ni but then angifuni ukumnika amanamba ami straight yabona manje ngistraight amanamba vela ngimgaye vela okay sharp ngimgaye amanamba ami awaphathe vela athi okay siloku sihamba vele siloku siyaxoxa siyahamba okay kube khona nje la kunamahlathi kunyana khona yabo athi kimi enonhlanhla ngicela ume la yabo ngisayochama ngithi okay ayi ngime vele ngime angithi ngiyasabukhama ngiyi-1 nele ngimele vele ayi ngime like mangimile kube khona into ithi man baleka like lo bhuti lo man usomehow man yabo noma ngimehamba naye ne but inyo zami zashaqa ngishaya nayo uvalo man ukuthi there's something wrong ngalo muntu lo but then ukuthi yini angifuni ukungena more details because angagcina ngijikile estradeni okay kube khona into ethi man baleka hamba yabo ngathi kuba khona into engitshelayo ukuthi baleka okay ngithazini thingibaleke la ngempela ngibaleke bengifake elinye irogo kanje elitight elimhlophe ngifake nale kipa lezi esivuleke so yabo hayi ngibaleke ngifake na yini ngicathule ama rubber shoes aneraba enkulu yeah
okay
ngibaleke and anathanda ukuthi ngibaleka ayangisinda mara lo ngiyabaleka vele hayi ngibaleke ngitshela ukuthi mawukhuphuka kanje kumnyama ne ngivela ngezwe ngevoice uyapi ngashiya ngicathulo lapho ngabe sengigijima ukusikazi ngadonsa le roko laba lincane ne ngabaleka mangibaleka ngiyabona ukuthi ukuya endlini enyinto futhi yabona ngono ngibalekele ku emzini oseduze yabona lo muzi oseduze akuna gate vele kodwa like kunebonda vele like umuzi vele one yini lento le one yini nibizani
stop nonsense
yeah okay sharp ngibaleke kuleyo muzi lo shithi mangibaleka ngikhona ngase A3P mangikhona A3P muzi wakhona mangikhona asho ukuthi kune-18 ngathi nje bese kuzowakho or bekwakhiwa understand so ubudomi bami anginakanga mina ukuthi njengoba ngiyifihle lapha kulezi 18 like umuntu ole uyakwazi ukungibona nomuntu ole uyakwazi ukungibona mina ngiyasho ukuthi ngizifihlile ngithi hawu mangizifihlile aqhamuke masaqhamuka so yabona uthi uyapi ngibe like wena ufunani athenhle like ngima lapho ngiyeza singijikele kanje yo ngitshela ukuthi bengasazi ukuthi ngenze njani mangithi ngibona i-toilet 1 is 2 njengoba bathi uyajikela kanje angazi uzongenzana ngithi ngibaleke nge-toilet nangifika e-toilet ngidonsa le toilet kancane ngenzela ukuthi umsindo wakhona ungazwakali ukuthi ngise-toilet yabo ayi ngiwudonsa umnyango mangiwudonsa ngihlale hayi ngihlale solo ngiyabuza ukuthi ngizophuma kanjani-ke la lo bhuti ufunani kanti kimi wathi hayi ngithukwa leso sikhathi hayi ngizwa like yabona muzwa ama-full step ngizwa ama-full step okay ngizwa nama-voice but then ama-voice akhona abantu angibazi ukuthi bathini labo bantu labo ne okay sharp ngiyenzeni ngithazi ngithi ngihlole ngibone ukuthi yini le ngisemzini wabantu leso sikhathi ngitatha kusa ne ngihlola mangihlola like angiboni inyawo mara ngiyazibona impahla ngiyabona nje ukuthi labantu bagcokeni bebagcoke something like as the navy blue bafake nama-mask nje yabona lama-mask adecoratiwe lawo ngathi mani badobile so ukuthi imlomo lena ndenjalo bona ama-mask bafake nama-hood mara ukuthi ngibabone ebusweni angibaboni ngivala i-toilet ngikutshela ukuthi ngihleli e-toilet ne isithi nayo kodwa ngazichamela ngihleli la indlela ngangithuke ngayo okay ngihlale kokwamoya ngifundisa ukuthi isimo masenzima thandaza ngithandaze ngitshela ukuthi mangithandaza ngize ngimbizo nobaba bami usemathuneni ukuthi awungilekelele ndoda ngiphume kule nkinga ngiyo angazi wenzakalani ngami ne kodwa ngicela ungilekelele hayi ngihlale ayi sengizwa sekuthulekile isikhashanyana nje kube nento ethi ngiphume yabo hayi mangivula umnyango ngiyabona ukuthi angisezwa niksi-ke manje hayi ngiphume mangiphuma sho ukuthi ngiphuma ngibhekele sho ukuthi sengibheke nje indlela yokuphuma mina hawu mangiphuma qhamuke ubhuti like ngizwa ngesandla nje nakhona ungibamba rough yabona into kubamba rough angibambe so yabo mangibamba so mangijika ngimbheka lo bhuti futhi nakhona ngimbheka ngimqala ngasenyaweni ngiyakhuphuka naye ngiyambuka ufake nje amateki wafaka ijini eblue fake nehood mangimbheke ebusweni yabona inkungu yabona lento ebuhlophe yabona yeah ngibona leyo nto leyo ne and like iyangiphandla angikhona ukumbona ebusweni leyo muntu loyo but then ukhuluma nami athi kimi uyapi ngoba la like ilokishi lakhe kona yena la athi kona mina la ngikutshela ukuthi angazi kwenzakalani ngamni mara maybe utshwale ngaphuza ngayigakela that thing
Anhlanhla
swe ngayigakela baphuma nje amakaka
really
swe ngiyafunga ngoba bulele emathuneni
okay
futhi nakhona ukuyigakela kwami ngisho ukuthi kwangisindisa because lapho mangikade ukuthi futhi yabona mangizibheka lapho ngifaka into emhlophe wamani wangiphusha nje lo bhuti wathi sis hamba ayi ngihamba shithi mase ngihamba ngale stop nonsense yabona ngiphuma egate sho ukuthi ngiyenzela ukuthini obvious angithi ama light ilight labonisa ukuthi ukuphi uzokubonisa kuzobonakala phela ukuthi nanya lapha umahlathi yabona ngihamba ngelight phela istop nonsense ngithi kumnyama how mangimile lapha mangilo ngihamba ngibona omunye ubhuti lo bhuti shuthi ngimbona so kodwa ngimboni phambili so ne ngimbona ngasemuva uphethe iphone but then I failed to understand again ukuthi angiziboni inyawo ngibona nje ibruko nento ayigqokile izandla ngiyazibona ke iphone ngiyayibona nayo iphethe ngithi Nkosi yami okungenani lo bhuti ngicela ukuthi angangiboni ngoba angazi abantu bafunani lo beyangigijimisa ngisambonike angimazi naye ukuthi uphelelephi wayapi angazi
nabo mamask awusababona
nix sengibona lo manje okay ngiloku ngibaleka cash up ngize ngiphumelele khona enye passage kanje ngiyene kiyo ngikhuphuka ngasekasilam mara kusiya ngasekasilam straight kodwa like indlela iya ngasendlini le how mangiloku ngigijima kanjalo ngizwa like yabona amaphaqo yabona lawo ngathi ama G-string yeah aish la so man yeah
la yes
ngayo zama uhamba ngithatha phaka yeah how ngizwe like yabo phaka okay like umuntu ohlafuna ichapisi yabuza umuntu kuyo izinto omzana amahlafuna ichapisi
yo makancane yo ngiyayazi lento
you understand Nkosi yami ngithi yo naba futhi ngibaleke shithi mangibaleka indlela engangithuke ngayo azangena nasegate ngajump ibonda
lakini
no like ngabona ukuthi ngiyekithi ne ukude ngamane ngaya kuphi khabo mngani la bekuyiphathi khona you understand yeah ngamane ngangenela khona ngathi mangena ngajump ibonda after ibonda moya kancane nje itoilet lapho ngangena etoilet like ngenzela ukuthi lesiboko noma bangathi or yini le bengilandela at least itide ukuthi ngene kungiphumuze sola ukuthi mina ngiyangena ngiyekokode emnyango lesiboko sesingena kuleyo muzi loyo ngiyoyithini leyo nto leyo you understand phela ngeke ngazi maybe into engihamba naso angeke ngazi okay ngihlala phaya like sengiyawaza ukuthi okay sewasekuduze manje lama first step ngithi ngihlola ngiyathanda ukuhlola ke mina mangihlola ngibona nje intombazana efake ibam short yabona ama shorts lawo bezizinqa
okay yes yeah
ifake neskipa futhi not even iskipa esi-through man angazi le kipa lezi abantu amanye amantombazana nokuzigcoka man emakazi si-through man
okay
yeah ubona yonke into ne lapha yeah ngithi ufake ne-lipstick red uhlafuna ichapisi wenza kanje and uyahamba usikazi phethe ne-side bag uyabona ukuthi kuphuthunyiwe la yakhona okay sharp ngabi nendaba naloko solanka mina angezanga kimi it's fine ngikokode mama khona ngivulela hawu lo mama makangivulela sengiyakhala phela manje ngikhale mangikhala umangela ukuthi kwenze njani ngangifaka inkophe ni kodwa leza inkophe angazi enye yayiseyithe enye yayiseyiwile angazi nje bekwenzakalani okay sharp mangifika mangikhala angibuzi kwenzakaleni ngangihluleka nokuchaza ne ngamtshela ukuthi ngicela ufonela amaphoyisa awafonela amaphoyisa like ayikho into wayenza since wathi ayabuya awakabuyi namhlanje ngisawalindini okay bafike abosisi laba babashiya sho ukuthi labo sisi njengoba besibashiya eSinderella Tavern angisikhumbula ukuthi khona labo sisi bashini bona bahambile bayojiva futhi somewhere njengoba sebabuya vele sebabuya shithikela laphi khona la iphathini okay sharp mababuya ngiyabachazela ukuthi hayi guys kwenzakala lento esona so yana kuthanda ukuthi ngichaza nje ngisazi kakena angashintshe the same way okay sharp athi lo munye igede vele bathi sikhona isipoko e2 leso sipoko vele bathi siyakhaphana sijwayele vele ukukhaphana and if ummelile wachama bongeke usabuya bezohamba nawe hayi ngithuko ke manje hayi mangithukwa okay amaphoyisa azange aphendule and like one thing engayibona la ukuthi kahle mina bengithengisomngane wami because if lesa sipoko azange ime ngaphandle azange sihambe nami lesa sipoko bekwenzakalani ngami ngalabafana labaya because benge bangikhaphe one thing ungakhapha icherry wena like ebusuku ni2 bazongivalela which it's obvious so lesa sipoko nami sangisindisa esayidini lami noma singisindise kanzima kodwa sangisindisa kwaba phela kwistory kanjalo until today amaphoyisa kangasho nix and like umngane wami azange asambuza azange asahamba naye azange imbuze nokuthi Tommy why inini vele ngaphuma kuye till today
Angitshela igama lesiboko njengoba esithinja amagama wena umtshela ukuthi umhlandla yena akazange asho ukuthi ubani mhlambi
no azange imbuze because yazi abanye abantu umuntu mohamba naye ebusuku moloko umbuza buza uyadineka yeah so ngadecide ukuthi yazi ngona abuze mina ama question hayi ukuthi mina ngimbuza yabo so azange imbuze
kusaba ukuthi ngombuza uzoba ngathi
yeah
uchamekile musi
yabo so into engayifuna
laba bakutshela ukuthi vele kunesiboko lapha ethuko nabasho ukuthi hey isiboko sakabani mhlambe hayi samazi vele
no
uthaba ekhapana
or something like ngathi badubulela lapho ne maqeda azange beze bazolanda umoya wakhe
Okay.
so lo bhuti loyo ujwayele vele ukukhapha abantu uyabakhapha abanye vele mabakhaphile na uvumeni awubuyi
ana ukuthi mhlambe kutholakala umzimba awubuyi nje nomzimba konke
no awutholakala awusabuyi totally awutholakala nje so mina ngasinda ngokuthi at least ngingabaleka
so endlini wabatshela ke umchazela bekuma olady or something
like mangifika endlini ne obvious yazi ukuthi man makwenzakala something bad siyaposta understand so ngaposta ngathi mangipost ubhuti wami abona ipost ngathi mangifika endlini ngamthola ubhuti wami wayependa phezulu ne phezukweni wathi mangena wangibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngamchazela istory wangibuza ukuthi labo bhuti labo ngiyabazi na labo bhuti umngane wami angishiye nabo ngiyabazi na ngathi but then akusabantu engibajwayele yabona ngibazi ngibabona ubhuti wami yena like into yamkwatisa kakhulu ukuthini why bangangishiyanga eBorder Gate mangithi ngifuna ukwehla nakhona umngani why angishiyanga labo bafana labo you understand nakhona futhi enye into futhi bengistressa kakhulu ubhuti wami ukuthi labafana laba why nakhona nabo if bebafana beqiniso why bangangikhaphanga immediately masiceda kwehla why bebasafuna ukuthi bahambe ulanda amabhiya wathwathwathwathi yabo so ubhuti wami like ngamtshela ngathi there's no need ukuthi ungaze uhambe uyolwa nabo or ini like isibadala it is what it is yonke into eyenzakalile right it's fine kodwa sesibonga ini umphefumulo nje kuphela uma mama ngimtshela mama I'm like yo bebhlungu inhliziyo yakhe because bekamthemba umngane wami na into wayisho ukuthi kahle kahle washo ukuthi uthengisa umngane because if umngane akazange yenze lento leyo yonke lento lezi nalento ozibonile bongeke uzibone so sesibonga ukuthi ukhona then umngamami wathi kimi ngasaphinde ngihambe nomngane wami like azange asaphinda till today
kahle umngane wakho nje bathi nayi parties and store
no umngane like ngihamba naye everywhere yeah like bekume araf everywhere la ngithola khona bozomthola
Okay.
so bongeke nami mabangibize epatini bengisho ukuthi khona uyiwane ngiza naye understand so naye bekuyinto enjalo
so azange sakhuluma futhi lapho ukuthi echomi kwenzakala so wena bangenza so
azange sambuza
nawe awakahlangana naye
ngiyahlangana naye uyaza nakithi everyday maka like angisibona isidingo sokuthi ngaze ngimbuze because obviously ngichazela sakhe story amtshela Thomas Kithi silungisa ibond again still uzoyenza the same thing you understand so the only thing ayimele ngiyenza ukuthi ngiphume kuye
manje njengoba sikubona vele intameni nasezandleni like is that just for a trend yama 2K or something
this thing a pride I'm into girls yeah then lazy obvious like ngabantu abadala but then Leta lezi engisifakile for ukuthi yabona uma sesikolweni isandla sami sinokungapali man sinoku cramp.
Okay.
Understand? Sometimes sinokulock.
Okay.
So kuba ngcono mangifake iscreen.
Right. I'm interested. Firstly, it will be the names Ozbizama. Different names, different locations, different situations. That will be the first questions as to why. Now, you've gone through the ghost, I think in one night, if I'm not mistaken, that is the previous story. Maybe 3. Lentomazane Chepi says Tepe, Amachitama mask, Nale Outilem. Any names between all those ghosts?
No, you can eliminate mazi. I get
None. There's no name, nothing whatsoever. Okay. Embarrassing part. La kwenze ukuthi khona you even uzibhoshela, sorry to say it, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So the extent yokuthuka ngakhona ukuthi wawukuyo, right? Now when you went back mawuye ekhaya, mawufika ukokota kule ndlu lena lapha ekhaya. So mawufika unarrate a story. So now you're still in that state. Awaka change and roge lemhlobo. But what's the feeling?
Like yabona mina ngumuntu okuthi mangithukiwe ne. Like ngiyafreeza. So ngangimile like ngangifreezile. So nabo obvious bamangela ukuthi why ungashintshi or why ungayogeza or kwenzakalani. But then mina ngisese lapho ukuthi ngisazithukiwe. You understand? So ngidinga ukuthi ngibhodle kuqala. After ukubhodla khani ngizoba right, sengibuyela kahle esimeni sami, sengimahlathi bese ngihamba ngiyogeza, ngiyarefresha ngiba right.
Okay.
So now obviously bazibuza ukuthi why mahlathi ungenzi so, why ungagezi? Shintsha ke ngithi hayi angikwazi ukuthi ngishintshe kahle. Ngifuna ukubhodla kuqala. Ngizwe ukuthi ya sengiright manje. Bese khani.
Okay. So in one night, you know, this sounds like a segment, a story is different. When a two is just one night with so many things that has happened. What was going through your mind? And still remember, don't forget, I still want you to take me to a part whereby you've got so many names in Tlantla, Zota, Mtswaki, Matakala. Let's start with the names. Why do you call yourself Sote? Is it sickness? Is it what is it?
Yazine like mina ukuze ngizibiza ngama name, it's because of abafana bangibona.
Okay.
Yeah. Yabona at least makufika maybe intombazana izongibuza igama lami. Yeah, ngizokutshela igama lami straight. It's okay. Mina nguMahlathi warawara kanjani. So khona abanye abantu ukuthi umuntu akulandelele. Understand? Yeah. Alokubuza igama lakho or afune nama number. Fana ukuthi manje umuntu mangafika ngishela okay sharp ngimtshela ukuthi hayi ngiyabuya. Angilandele futhi ngiyabuya. Ngizogcina ngimtshela obvious igama lami straight because uyangilandelela and uyangidina. So abanye abantu ngibapha igama lami ngakho so basuke bangibhora, bangidina. That's why ngithi ngoba ngimnika igama lami lamanga ama number are wrong because of uyangibhora. Indlela yokuthini ngisikhiphe kuwe leyo. Yeah. Mara kumantombazana it's rare ukuthi ngakunika igama lami straight. Yeah.
You've got so much energy. You know, I like you. And you said now you're dating amantombazana. When did you start dating Amosher?
I think grade 7. Yeah. Grade 7. Ilapho obvious ngibona ukuthi yazini. Kahle ila sengizibona nami ukuthi yazini. I belong to girls.
Okay. Okay, ngicela sibamba kancane. Bafethu lapha emakhaya. Nangu uNhlanhla, she's stating a story. Please let us know what you think at this point in time. Just give us your comment, just give us your thoughts. And yeah, Sazis, she's bubbly, she's hype, she's there. But she's a lovely girl. Trust me when I say this, the way what do you think, Lape Makhaya? Please just let us know what you're thinking. Nhlanhla, in closure, Seswam, you know, I can tell you, if you and I could sit, you will go on and forever and ever. So, through your experience, now, having seen Ghost and you feel that you have the gift, in a nutshell, is it a good experience? Is it a good thing to have Lesiphiwo Naso? What would you say to umuntu maybe ofuna ukwazi kabanzi ngalesiphiwo nokuthi is it truly a gift or maybe kuona some sense of psychological effects ebakhona for you to see abantu abangabonwa wonke umuntu. Is it normal or is it not normal?
Ayikho normal. Yeah. It's rare man thola umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi ubona i-ghost. Usuke unenhlanhla yokubona i-ghost. Kahle ngathi inhlanhla, not akusibhadi inhlanhla. Because mona ikhanda lithambile kahle kahle. And ayo ukuthi uma ubona i-ghost kusuke ukuthi maybe u-gifted. No. Uyakwazi ukuyibona i-ghost ungekho gifted.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not like all about ukuthi ngoba wena u-gifted uyakwazi ukubona isipoko. Uyakwazi nawe kumuntu if ikhanda lakho lithambile ngithi amakhanda wethu awafani. Yeah. Khona ikhanda lomuntu okuthi lithambe kakhulu uyakwazi ukuthi asibone isipoko. Abanye bayakwazi ukuthi ba-communicate nabo bakhulume. Khona umunye umuntu okuthi uyakwazi ukusibona kodwa ukuthi akhulume nasi akakhona. So hayi ukuthi yonke into it's about ukuthi wena unedlozi or nani or yini.
Okay. So with that being said, is it a good or a bad thing? Okay, sir?
It's a bad thing.
It's a bad thing. Okay. Asibambe lapho. Guys, ngiyabonga bafethu nimzwile uNhlanhla, nimzwile. Real name uMahlatsi. Bafethu, yeah, she has said a mouthful and I hope you are learning there and yeah, you're taking something in and you're going to feedback to us and just to let us know what to tabanga ngoNhlanhla. You can call her any names wherever you see her. Zodwa Nhlanhla Mufukeni, hey, Lihlanya, hey, what responda? Uzo responda. Mom Kenya, yeah, uzo maramonga mkhinyi uyintombazana. Uzogayilika Mahlatsi. Bafethu nyanqanya. So to podcast bafethu latsiba rata and we know that you guys love us.